Why these scientists are behind the Bugosphere. Bugosphere news is circulating all around the world. Some people are saying that it is an alien creature innovation. It diminishes the gravity, a kind of downward pull force cancelling object, using certain electromagnetic rays and viewing things from a distant space, using the spherical polarity and using electromagnetic rays. The aliens will get a clear view of circular area around certain kilometers. Some say that it's a blunder created by Mexican Colombian people, a kind of drawing attention towards them. By doing this kind of activities, rewards are certain. What is actually this Bugo? My faraway friend, I told him about this news. He was saying that he knew about beluga, those sturgeon fishes, and he may have dreamt about eating those sturgeon caviar eggs. Poor guy. I explained about Bugo, found in Colombia, Mexico. This type of news after fact check, if we can't find any disapproving evidences, must not be ignored. Especially when our solar system witnessed Atlas IIIa comet, passing pretty closer to our solar system. Because like I defined in Amism world, you need only certain polarities, for certain chemical compositions to become lively. The magnetic electric chemical structures and the thermodynamic polarity transfers between the external and internal environments, basically energy transfers, somewhere around universe has created those magical structures. There are possibilities. And this sphere has inside spheres and radiation from it cancels the vegetation memories and the sphere is gaining mass and losing it. Some kind of quantum tunneling, increasing those masses and sticking it, changing those energy levels. This must be broken, and what is giving it that flight speed buoyancy? What exchanges are happening? How it views things must be studied and made available to the public. This is not a strange phenomenon. Many alien creature presence are already identified, here and there, all around the Earth. In my previous videos I have told you about Earth's life magic and it won't be present anywhere else. This settings is miracle and beyond this you won't find life. Why I said so? If this was not the case, there would have been life anywhere in other planets of solar system, say for example Saturn, Jupiter or their satellites, they would have been communicated. About Mars life and colonization itself, humans are creating those life polarities, favorable for some forms of life. About Amism world, it's about egalitarian social reprogramming that exposes all those previous social human reality blunders, or partial views, creates a material, thought, structural innovative reprogramming of human macroscopic and microscopic environment. Ending with a robotic AI rest and innovation in its peak. An intelligent energy reprogramming all across human civilizations. A uniform matter engineering and process manipulations that many people fear. It's not like throwing thought baits on human fishes and making them irritated, and doing brain mapping. It's liberation of humans completely from all those bondages of evil and making them look onto the goodness of autopilot existences. Bugo may be some kind of human innovation. That will soon come out. If it's not, we must be prepared for asteroid sphere apocalypse. Something which had destroyed those dinosaurs, engineered the Earth trajectory and spared those life forms. Alien creatures, some are of the opinion that they are in disguise, living among us. They are weakening the power of less intelligent, jamming weaker human thoughts, feeding and destroying people. They are setting their agendas through waves, without the awareness of less intelligent individuals. Comment your opinion.